Hi friends, and welcome to Tony's Kitchen. Would you like to turn your box brownies from good to great? By simply making a few changes to the instructions on the box and adding a few extra ingredients, your box brownies will go from good to delicious. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. All right, guys, let's get started. We're going to be using Duncan Hines today. So we're just going to add our ingredients. The box calls for 2 eggs. So instead of 2 eggs, we're going to add 1 extra egg. So we added 3 eggs. The box called for a 1/3 cup of water. We're going to add a 1/3 cup of milk. Plus 4 extra tablespoons of milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you like. I'm using almond milk. So the box called for a 1/3 cup of oil. I'm going to use a 1/3 cup of butter plus an extra 2 tablespoons. So now you're going to simply stir it up. It's such a quick and easy recipe. Okay, so now you're going to butter your pan. Just spread the butter around on the bottom and the sides so that it won't stick. And just pour it on in there. Look at that. So nice and creamy. And I like to shake it up and down and side to side to make sure that it's evenly distributed. This is a size 8x8 pan, so I'm going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, the instructions on the box said to cook for 30 minutes, but I ended up cooking it for about 45 minutes. And the way that you know that it's done is to just simply stick a toothpick in it or a fork. And if it comes out clean, then it's done. I like to eat my brownies warm with ice cream. So we're going to just cut it up in squares. This is perfect.